This is a momentous occasion and a proud moment to be cherished. The train has started on its auspicious journey to Tirupati, the abode of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा हरी झंडी के संकेत पर वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस अपने गंतव्य की ओर बढ़ रही है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व का क्षण है। It's a happy moment for the people of two Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We request Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, Honorable Railway Minister, to felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Garu by presenting a charial painting depicting Bathukamma festival. Charial painting is a unique art form native to Telangana, and Bathukamma is a colorful floral festival of Telangana which has over the years become a symbol of its culture and identity. The festival has been beautifully captured in the painting. The charial scroll painting is a unique art, unique to this state. अब हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से सविनय निवेदन करते हैं कि वे हरी झंडी दिखाकर नई वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस का शुभारंभ करें। The Secunderabad Tirupati Vande Bharat Express is ready to take off on its inaugural run. This is a wonderful gift to the people of two Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is a momentous occasion and a proud moment to be cherished. The train has started on its auspicious journey to Tirupati, the abode of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा हरी झंडी के संकेत पर वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस अपने गंतव्य की ओर बढ़ रही है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व का क्षण है। It's a happy moment for the people of two Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. మన తెలుగు ప్రజలకు ఎంతో ప్రీతిపాత్రమైన వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి కొలువైన ఆధ్యాత్మిక క్షేత్రం తిరుమలకు ఈ వందే భారత్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ మరింత వేగవంతంగా చేర్చనుంది. The two Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are about to see their connect getting stronger thanks to India's fully indigenous semi-high-speed train Vande Bharat Express. The city of Hyderabad is getting linked with Tirupati, gateway to the abode of Lord Venkateshwara and Goddess Padmavati, by the fastest and most comfortable rail service offering best-in-class travel experience. The commencement of the new Vande Bharat Express, second such service for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, is a testimony of the transformational path embarked by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Garu towards modernizing rail infrastructure to attain international standards and showcase a giant leap in the transport scenario of India. The connectivity also espouses the commitment of Indian Railways to provide utmost convenience to pilgrims. यह वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश की जनता के लिए एक अनुपम भेंट है. Honorable Prime Minister Sir is greeting the audience with a radiant smile and a cheerful smile and a wave, and the people are very excited and enthusiastic to see and greet our beloved Prime Minister. यह वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रधानमंत्री महोदय. तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश को 3 माह की अल्प अवधि में 2 वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस का उपहार दो राज्य के लोगों के प्रति आपका अपार स्नेह दर्शाता है. हम सब हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं.